Welcome to solverfy.
Right, so centrifugal force. Um, you gotta be really careful. It's a fictitious force, and the reason is because it doesn't actually exist as a force. It just looks like it is. So the example that I always like to think about is if there were a driver driving a car, and this is looking down at the car. So this driver has some coffee on his dashboard, and this coffee is right here on his dashboard. Right, and then ultimately this driver is going to go around a corner like that. He's driving along, and so in the future, his car um, is now. I'll use blue for this. His car is now right here after he starts to turn. This is still a bird's eye view. I guess I could probably draw a better rectangle, right? Um, but basically, the coffee cup hasn't been turned. So now the coffee cup traveling in a straight line is right here, right? But if you look at it, it's kind of weird because it sure seems like the coffee cup from an observer inside the car moved from right here to right here. See that? So it almost looks as though there's an outward force. So we named it the centrifugal force. Not to be confused with the centripetal force, which is the inward force, and actually does exist. So the centrifugal force, centrifugal force, is a fictitious force because it's not actually a force.